The beginning of today's movie introduces us to the Squid Game, where we see 4 handsome guys warming up, ready for the game. Above them is a wooden doll and a red-shirted guard. When the doll turns its head, the game officially begins. The guys are advancing step by step, but who will be the one to win? When the doll turns back, the guys immediately freeze in place.
Oh!
One guy is tripped, but he still manages to pick up a bouquet. He lifts the bouquet and offers it to the doll, who accepts it happily. The joy doesn't last long,
Why'd you come here?
as the doll punches him straight in the face, sending him down. Luckily, he isn't eliminated from the game. As he walks back down, the other guys laugh at him openly. Just as they're laughing, the doll turns back, and everyone goes silent and still. When the doll turns away again, the guys continue moving forward. This time, each one picks up an item from the ground. The doll turns back, so they all have to freeze again. Luckily, this time no one moves, and the doll turns back up. The guy in the SWAT outfit reaches the finish line first. It seems the doll isn't too fond of him. The guys below have also geared up and continue the game. The SWAT guy has some plan and aims his gun directly at one of the guards.
No.
The doll is startled and turns to see the guy shooting at the ones below. She punches him, giving him 2 black eyes. Distracted, another guy sneaks to the finish line. She turns back, and the game resumes.
Yeah!
The remaining 2 guards also quickly make it to the finish line safely. Moving on to the second game, the guards have a shooting battle with each other. In the first battle, the SWAT guy wins. In the second battle, 2 guards face off against each other.
What do you want? No. I don't go
One
sick.
guard, feeling stomach pain, asks to pause for a bathroom break.
Oh! What do you want?
SWAT is walking and suddenly smells something foul. SWAT picks up a piece of it and throws it at the guard in the restroom. The rock hits the guard's head, knocking him out on the spot.
One more.
The last guard wakes up, alerted by the scent SWAT left behind.
What do you want?
What can I do?
Damn it.
The guard tries some martial arts moves, but is shot dead by SWAT.
Wish you with me.
And so, the handsome SWAT guy wins this round of the Squid Game.
Yeah.